Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel for another episode of unboxing of Pokemon cards here in my channel. So either unboxing or unpacking is the same, but you know, okay, so let's continue unpacking or let's continue unboxing or unpacking another Pokemon cards. Okay, and then we've got some another Scarlet and Violet. Okay, yes, the Scarlet and Violet, Paldea Evolved, and also the Sword and Shield, Silver Tempest. Okay, so let's gonna start it up, okay? So, okay, right here I have this two, I have some another, okay, so I just have to divide it so that I can make another unboxing of Pokemon cards on the other day. Okay, so here we are. So I'm gonna start with this. So I'm gonna start with this two. Okay, I'm gonna start with this two. So I'm gonna start with a booster packs. Okay, I'm gonna start with the booster packs. Okay, so and then let's gonna start it up. Okay, okay, interesting fact. Oh, okay. What? Okay, nice. Okay, we've got some full of holographic cards over here. So we've got Cinderace, Rillaboom VMAX, Ninetales, Eldegoss, Toxtricity. Okay, Milotic. Oh, I have a Milotic. Morpeko VMAX. I already have the Morpeko VMAX, and also a Delmise V. And then here it goes on to the next. Okay, oops, okay, on to the next, on to the next, on to the next. Oh, we've got some Sableye. Oh, nice one. Wobbuffet, an Ice Q again, and a Cinderace, a Double, another Toxtricity, a Rillaboom, and an Inteleon VMAX. So bunch of holographic. Okay, bunch of holographics right there. So I think this is a reverse holo. Okay, and gonna open this up. So okay, let's go gonna open this up again. Okay, let's go gonna open this up. So right here is Pokemon trading card game, official Nintendo. Okay, and also play Pokemon TCG. So that is what in the box, in the tin. Okay, and then how to open it. Okay, here it goes. So we've got some, okay, we've got some Magnezone EX. Oh, nice one. Okay, and a Breloom. Okay, a Miraidon EX. Oh, nice one. Full art. Okay, full art. And a Speed Ups EX. Oh, a Gardevoir EX. Nice one. Kilowattrel. Yes. And a King Gambit. Whoa, nice one right there. Nice one right there. King Gambit with a Ponyard and also a Bisharp. Yes, like that one. Okay, like the full evolution. This is the full evolution right there. So as you can see, this is the full evolution. It's a Ponyard evolved into Bisharp, and Bisharp evolved into King Gambit. Wow, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. Okay. Okay, this is a nice one. Dark type Pokemon. Wow, in a steel type. Okay, this is a one. This is a rare one also. Even though it is not an holographic card, even though it is not an holographic, but the design of the art here, full art, is so very nice. Will you look at that? Bishop, Ponyard, and King Gambit. Wow. Okay, that is a one hell of a card right there. So right here is also we have some Armarug. Okay, Gyarados EX, and another nice one over there. You look at that full art of a Slowpoke. Wow, even though it is not a holographic card. Okay, nice one. Nice art over here. So let's gonna check in who is the art. Okay, Toshino Aoki. So Toshino Aoki is the illustrator of the art. Okay, that is one nice. Okay, we have some, okay, semi-series, so that is the last one. Okay, we're gonna go to the last one. And also we have some Gyarados EX, Acarlia, and a Toad Screw. Okay, Iron Threads EX. Okay, Provitzer and Speed Ups EX. Okay, and another Toxicity, and some again another Iron Threads. Okay, and we have some Magnezone EX and a Pomot. Yes, and also we have some Marble Stiff, you collect that. Okay, Dark type Pokemon. It is a doggo Pokemon. Okay, Toxic Rock EX, Koraidon EX. Oh, two Koraidon EX, and also there's a Great Tusk EX. Wow, nice one right there. Full art. Got some nice full art over right here with a Great Tusk. Okay, by illustration by Park. Okay, uh, Pane Kobayashi. Yes, Pane Kobayashi. Yes, right. It's a Pane Kobayashi pony. Or and we have some Magnezone EX, and also we have some Cloth. Okay, okay, and we have some Cacturn over here, and a Great Tusk EX, and a full art of Starly. Look at that one, so Starly. Nice one, even though it is not an holographic. So as you can see, this is a bunch of this is what we call, this is what they call rare cards, full art rare cards over right there. So on to the next, and we have some Greavard. Okay, and a Miraidon EX. Whoa, okay, that one right there, I also seen that kind of card. What I see that. Okay, where is that, that okay, so I have something that okay, that one right there, and also that, okay, I thought it was a Koraidon, so I'm expecting that Koraidon also. I am expecting a Koraidon. Okay, okay, okay. I'm expecting that Koraidon, but I think there's no Koraidon with the with the same full art. Okay, okay, with the same full art. So okay, so on to the next. So okay, okay, we have some Pomot again, and we have some Fido. Skeledirge. Oh, Skeledirge. Okay, I have it. Okay, I have the three. Paldea starter. Okay, I have the three Paldea starter. What is that one? Quaquaval, Meowscarada, and Skeledirge. Wow. Okay, I have it already, and also I have some Miraidon EX, Squobet, Bennett EX, and a Sundial. Wow, will you look at that nice art over there? So illustration by Norikabe. That is that is a one heck of a full art over here. Will you look at that? So the eyes is so cute. Okay, the eyes is so cute. Nice one over there. Very, very nice. And also this is a ground type Pokemon. So it is not a fighting type. Okay, it is not a fighting type Pokemon, it is a ground type Pokemon. So Sandile is a ground type Pokemon right there. So, and next we have some Toxic Rock again. And what is this one? We have another Floatzel, an Armorog, a Tarantula. And what is this one? Whoa, it's a Gardevoir EX. Whoa, nice one over there. It's a Gardevoir EX with the holographic mode. Okay, with a holographic nice peak over there. We've got some nice hot pool over here, everyone. And we've got some another Simister V Star right here. So this is the hottest pool for today. This is the hottest pool. Okay, what that's one, and right here there. Okay, this was the hottest pool of our pool for today. So this is the Gardevoir EX, and also I'm gonna have Okay, there you have it, everyone. This is the starters of the Paldea. The f- the the full evolution, the full evolution of the Paldea starters. Quaquaval, Meow Scarada, and Skeledirge. Wow, will you look at that? So nice. Got some nice, um, got some nice complete, okay, complete pack of the Paldea starters, Mios, Karada, Quaquaval, and Skeledirge. Wow, well, you look at that. And the hottest full is the Gardevoir EX right here. So will you look at that? Nice one. Nice one, nice. Okay, so okay. So that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more unpacking Pokemon cards and other content here in my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, okay?